ओम गुरुराम नमस्ते. Om Gururam Namaste. Good morning all of you, my third standard students. Today our topic is form smallest and biggest numbers with 4 digits. See here, let us try to form a smallest and the biggest numbers with using 4 digits. Listen carefully. Let us try to form the smallest and the biggest numbers. Using the digits. See here. So the given digits are 2, 4, 5, 8. First of all, the given digits 2, 4, 5, 8, write in ascending order. Write the digits in ascending order. See, in it, which is the smallest number? 2 less than 4 less than 5 less than 8. Then, to form the smallest number with the above 4 digits, we should see 4 digits means we have 4 places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand you can write here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. While you are writing the smallest 4 digit number according to the given digits, first of all you can write thousands place. So we have select smallest digit. Smallest digit here what? 2 is there. 2 you can write in tens place. Now next to 4 you can write in hundreds place. Next to 5 you can write in tens place. 8 you can write in ones place. So that's the number 2458. Very simple. Let us try to form the smallest and the biggest numbers using the digits 2, 4, 5, 8. See, very simple. You can write the smallest 4 digit number. See here. Therefore, the smallest 4 digit number is 2458. First of all, you can write the given digits in ascending order. So, 2, 4, 5, 8. 2 is less than 4 is less than 5 is less than 8. Then, here 4 digits are there. So, you can conclude that you can write 4 places from ones place to thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So, you can form a smallest 4 digit number means first of all you can select the smallest digit among these digits. Smallest digit here already you write here 2. 2 you can write in thousands place. 4 you can write in hundreds place. 5 you can write in tens place and 8 write in ones place. Then automatically the smallest 4 digit number is 2458. Next, let us try to form the smallest and the biggest numbers using the digits. So you can write the digits in ascending order. Next, biggest number. How you can write it? See here. Write the digits in descending order. Descending order. See here, 2, 4, 5, 8. Among these digits, the greatest digit is 8. Now next, 5, less than 4, less than 2. So 4 digits. You can write the smallest. You can write the biggest 4-digit numbers. Sorry. See here, 8 is greater than, 5 is greater than, 4 is greater than 2. See, write the digits in descending order. So 2, 4, 5, 8. These are the digits. So among these digits you can select the biggest one. So 8. Now next 8 is completed. The remaining how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. 5, 4, 2. Now next you can write 5. So greater than 4. Now greater than 2. So here 4 digits are there. 4-digit number means 4-digit number has 4 places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. You can write it here places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So now you can write first of all thousands place. So you can write in thousands place. Which number you can write? Which digit you can write? 8. In hundreds place you can write digit 5. Now next 4 in tens place. 2 is in ones place. Therefore the biggest 4-digit number is 8542 by using the given digits 2, 4, 5, 8. So this is the. Now next, see, now I am taking another one example. Let us try to form the smallest and the biggest numbers using the digits. So you can write here 3, 0, 5, 9. See, listen carefully. So you can write the smallest 4-digit number by using given digits 3, 0, 5, 9. So first of all you can write ascending order. Write the digits in ascending order. Then you can write in it the smallest digit is 0. Next less than 3. Next less than 5, less than 9. But one condition is there. If one of the digit is 0, ఇచ్చినటువంటి డిజిట్లలో 0 కనుక ఉంటే, if one of the digit is 0, the smallest number is always formed by the writing 0 at the second place. So in it, the smallest number 0 after the number what is there? Smallest number means you have to take 3. First of all you can write 3 in thousands place and next you can write 0 is in hundreds place. So you can write this like only ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Then you can write this like only thousand space 0, 3, 5, 9. This is not correct because in thousand space 0, then the number is 3-digit number 359. Don't write like this only. Did you understand? In the given digits, the 0 is given. You can write the 0 is in second place. Did you understand? So you can write here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. If one of the digit is 0, ఇచ్చినటువంటి వాటిలో ఒకవేళ 0 గనక ఉన్నట్టయితే the smallest number is always formed by writing 0 at second place. స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఏంటిది నాన్న ఇక్కడ 0. ఈ 0 మనం ఏ ప్లేస్లో రాయాలి? సెకండ్ ప్లేస్లో రాయాలి. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్లో మరి ఏం రాయాలి? సో యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ మీన్స్ థౌజండ్స్ ప్లేస్. యూ కెన్ రైట్ 3. సో యూ కెన్ రైట్ 3 in thousands place, 0 is in hundreds place, and next 5 tens place, 9 ones place. Then the smallest, therefore smallest 4-digit number is 3059. Now next biggest number by using these digits. See, this is very easy. Write the digits in descending order. See, in it show 3, 0, 5, 9. In it, which is the biggest number? 9. 9 after 5. 5 after 3 after 0. So this is the 4-digit number. So we have 4 places. Means ones, tens, hundreds, thousand you can write. So you can write 9 in thousands place, 5 in hundreds place, 3 tens place, 0 ones place. Therefore, the biggest 4-digit number is 9,530. 9,500. Now next, even numbers and odd numbers. Already you know everybody. Okay, listen carefully. Even numbers and odd numbers. See first even numbers. See, listen carefully. Already you know. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the even numbers. But here, even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Did you understand? That is called as even numbers. See here, according to our textbook, listen carefully. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are even numbers. You know very well. And so on are even numbers. Even numbers, but even numbers end with means at one's place, end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. See, the numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are called even numbers. See, for example, so 22 end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Student, here the ones place is 2, then 22 is a even number. Now next 34. Did you observe ones place? 4 is in ones place. End with 4. So 34 is also even number. Now next 648. See, did you observe 8 is in ones place, end with 8. Then 648 is also an even number. Now next 3586. See, 3586 end with 6. 6 is a even number, so the total number is also even number. Now next 4070. See, one space digit 0 given, so it is a even number. Now next 5282. This is also even number. Next, see here 9000. This is also even number. So, are some examples of even numbers. Next, odd numbers. Odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on are odd numbers. See, odd numbers ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. A number having at one's place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then the numbers are called odd numbers. One, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on are odd numbers. Odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. See here, listen carefully. 31. Even or odd? Odd number. See, you can see end with 1. 1 is in end's place. 1 is in one's place. So it is odd number. Now next 43. Ends with 3. Next 467. End with 7. Next 645. Listen carefully. 645. 5 is in one's place. The given number ends with 5, so it is called as an odd number. Now next 2347, 3459, 8253. See, 8253 ends with 3, so it is an odd number. Now next 9999 are examples of odd numbers. Very simple. A number having 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 at one's place, then it is called as an odd number. అర్థమవుతుందా నాన్న? ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Then the type of numbers are called odd numbers. See, end with 1, end with 3, 7, 5, 7, 9, 3, 9. See, you can see only the one's place digit. That is called as odd numbers. So now here, see, here one series is given. Listen carefully. See, in the number series 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the number series, there will be an even number after every odd number. ప్రతి ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ తర్వాత ఖచ్చితంగా ఆడ్ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది. 0 ఈజ్ ఈవెన్, నెక్స్ట్ 1 ఈజ్ ఆడ్, నెక్స్ట్ 2 ఈజ్ ఈవెన్, 3 ఈజ్ ఆడ్, 4 ఈజ్ ఈవెన్, 5 ఈజ్ ఆడ్, 6 ఈజ్ ఈవెన్, 7 is odd, 8 is even, 9 is odd, next 10 is even, 11 is odd. See here, there will be an even number after every odd number and odd number after even number. Must and should. See, even odd, next odd even, even odd, odd even, alternate anamata. Even odd, even odd, even odd, even odd, even odd. That is the number series. So today our class is completed. Tomorrow discussed activity book. Okay, course book first completed, first chapter completed. See here beta, shapes and spatial understanding and numbers also both completed. So everybody tomorrow bring activity book. Okay. Thank you to you all.